church tomorrow. You gonna pray for them boys to forgive you for what you did to them today. I'm gonna tell them like it is, though. I'm gonna tell you what this duck bucket RCI 69 is. 69. That's the best number they ever made. Hey, 63. You close. That's 63. But I ran a 69 that break. You're a bad man when you can do something like that. You know, some of them other boys trying to talk a long time and talk about 1 hour, 2 hours, but you're talking about 6 hours, 30 more minutes you've been out of there, 6 hours. That's too much talking. I can't find out what to say about it all that time. I don't know what to talk about for that duck fucking long. 63, have a blessed evening, I'm back out. They gonna pay you 8 hours. 8 hours. You 8 hours on that end. Go to the movie. I wouldn't know what to say for that low. I wouldn't on that end, but when you out there spanking booty, you don't have to say nothing. You let that duck bucket radio, you let that double bulls talk for you. You let them double bulls talk for you. You talk to them double bulls, and they'll talk back for you. I'll see you.
Okay, shall we go rock and roll?
Quiet on the set. You said you appreciate them boys standing by, but there ain't a damn thing they can do about it. Bam, bam, bam. You're doing the rope-a-dope. You're doing the Mike Tyson shuffle. I'll see you. Click.
Hey, Chucky7, you're gonna make that boy's head swim. On that panel just for me, and the only thing I heard a bunch of humming back here, but nobody was coming. No, I heard a bunch of humming, but nobody was coming, because I believe them boys are trying you. They trying you real good on that end, but Lord knows, the only thing, I recognize one voice. And the only reason I recognize it because I talked to him. Watch your squeaker. I thought I heard him trying to slip in there, break. I'm gonna take them double bulls, put an elastic between them, and he can wear them like a cotton picket boogie holder breaker.
I knew that's your voice. I can tell your voice. Hey, Squeaker, I can tell your voice. You roll up in my radio that time, Squeaker, break.
I was telling you, you're gonna swell that boy's head up. He's gonna think them double bulls is rolling the West Coast, but guess what? A sneaky squeaky snuck right in there, break.
You gonna have to watch it. Hey, I heard him back there trying to say something, Squeaker. You said I was gonna swell his head up. That duck plucker had a devastating mole in my radio for a good while. He had a good while in there, but looked like Mother Nature might have slipped up in your area, and Lord knows, Squeaker, I ain't gonna swell his head now, break.
He ain't gonna know what happened. He ain't gonna understand a doggone thing, because he knows I don't run this thing very hard. Anyway, Chucky, I just dropped it down. Great big hello to you. Appreciate you recognizing my voice and coming on back. Chucky7, look at you. Squeaker out west, look at me, I'm gone.
Get your mind on train driver, because here come the rabbit, here come the rabbit, here come the rabbit.
but they couldn't come in. Hey, Squeaker, quit showing out. Quit showing out, Squeaker. I'll see you. Have a blessed evening. I'm gone.
See you later, Chucky. Always a pleasure, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Doing your thing out here out west. I'll see you.
I'm gonna leave on the key. Squeaky, he was out there saying something, but Lord knows I could have talked to both of y'all. I ain't gonna tell no Tilly or not. That dumb fucker holding my radio with you that time, and I could hear both of y'all. I could hear Squeaker, and I could hear 63. I could hear 63, and I could hear Squeaker. Too bad, man. Too bad, man. Too bad, man, on the west side. I'll see you.
Will you make sure you tell my good friend 63 he done a real good job all day, no doubt. Tell 63 I said good job all day long. And I appreciate it, Chucky7. I'm gone.
I heard you want to know who I can hear now. And when you got off the key, I heard A09 on his baby driver, that break. Reverend Ike. Where you think you'll be head off the bed? I am the Kiwi. I am the Kiwi in the back. Yes, bam. I was trained by
Doggone it, I just broke the wire on my cotton picking keyer. So I got to go, because I got to shut it off and unplug it so I can unkey. Chucky7, be good down there. Me and my small station's back quiet.
You'll plug yes a little bit, but it ain't really bothering me. I didn't hear that. I ain't gonna tell no tenant on that. I heard 63 was squeaking around and somebody else was in there with you. Y'all got my ears pinned up that time. That's some bad men. Y'all some bad men. Hey, 63. Squeaker. And I guess that's only 09. I don't know for sure. I hate to say it like that, but I know A09. I mean, I heard 63, and I heard Squeaky in my radio. Y'all know yesterday, me and this duck running. Whoa, right, broke heel back out. Hey, too far to go. Watch that cat. That cat'll get you. Hey, too far to go. Watch that cat. Too far to go. Triple five is gone. Who's that whipping all that booty? Hey, 63, who's that whipping all that booty? I like to whip some booty myself. I'll see you. Your business. Bye-bye. Let's throw that decent. I'm gonna put that business in the street. I'm gonna put James Harvey and Scotch and Love business in the street. Bam. Tell him I got him on the corner. I got him on the corner with a blonde wig, a ruby red lipstick, and go-go boots, and they say, go Chucky7. Go Chucky. I made some cheerleaders out them boys, break. You and 63, so it's one of y'all. I know. I'm gonna make some cheerleaders out of them. 63. I'm gonna make some cheerleaders out of them boys. I got them on the corner working. They say, go Chucky7. Go Chucky7. Stick on his head. Bye-bye. I'm on the driver too. Hey, Mr. A09, I'm on the driver too. Have a good evening. I'm Mr. A3. I'm going back to on the couch. I'll see you. I got him on the corner. He got a blonde wig.
don't walk away. Tell them to run. Tell them to run like the world's on fire. Chucky7, go.
It's 809. I'm going to close the door to the wooden chase for all these boys. It was 809. Reverend Ace, I'm going to close the door to the little wooden chase out the road and then they come in and do the talking. It's 809. Reverend Ace is 7.
You told me. Some more. If they throw their legs in the air, it looks like they want some more. 63, I'm gone. Hey, sure not. They can't do this. Good day. I just do it because I like to. Bye-bye. Flag in the swamp there. I'm checking the map. Easy on that crying. He might be on that drive. I don't know. But I'm going to back it down and get out the middle of the road and let the band If y'all still reading the mail, everybody rush y'all. Y'all have a blessed evening. Hey, 809, flag there. I'm gonna get out of your business. Bye-bye. And they all said night-night. You said they all 63. You said they all said night-night. They all said night-night, and the ones that didn't say it, you said it for them. 63, I'll see you. Good job. I'm a flip bad whack. Quit that 623, quit that. 809, one little whack black. 595, there's some fire flying. 595, don't come out here right now. They got some fire flying. 595, have a blessed day, I'm gone. Good night. I put a DC out there called my... Bye, 595. Bye, 9. I'll see y'all. 63. Bye, 595. What are you doing? The 595 shuffle. I'll see you. Wildcat, if you ain't scared, you better look. Hello, famous farm. I need somebody to go pick them chicken eggs. Tell them I need somebody to go pick them chicken eggs so I can have some more chickens to haul. 809, I'm going. Great. Easy, Mr. California. You want the pipe on the back? Chucky7. I'm out here doing the Chucky Shuffle. Tell them, famous farm, to go pick some chicken eggs. Tell them to go pick me some chicken eggs so I can haul some more chickens. I'm going. Pretty sure. Hello, to you, Wildcat, big old paw. The young man over here, the big claw is getting down. Mr. My God, I guess he done wrote in his condition. I guess old famous fire's condition done wrote up there around Edwards, Mississippi. Up there around Edwards, Mississippi. Hey, 809, Chucky7, back out. Click. Hold it steady right there. Don't turn away. Hello, T. Wildcat, YT, Great Lakes, so you got no... Roadblock.
roadblock, break. That's right. Hey, Jigga, I had to get a little. See, that got me to win one, y'all. I got a 21 on this end. Here you coming through my back door while I'm looking out west with all them big boys and them big toys. Oh, number one around I appreciate it. Transformer, Lord. This damn 3800 ain't got no transformer. How about a Jigga man switchblade, player? Number one, I just got over there 2-1. Let me swing that house around. Break.
Before you swing that house around, I just wanted to inform you, I don't have no big toys. So all them big boys with them big toys is out there and always doing sneaking on through. Hey, Chucky, old squeaker, got this keyer fixed. I'll see you.
You said you ain't got no big toys, but you gonna run with all them big boys with that little toy. You ain't got no big toys. All you do is run a little toy. You get in there with all that, don't plug it on. It will squeaker. Have a blessed evening. I'm gone.
A Hermes Light and a JB 150. I do have an antique Glen from way back when, but it ain't very big. Take care, be good, Chucky. You always sounded good out here, man. Take care, I'll see you. I'm back in the bushes.
Because you all up in the Bayou country, you got in my receiver shut down. Squeaker, have a blessed day. Me and this worldwide bluegill back out. They know when to hold that. Hey, see, I told you about these guys over here, man. Well, I got to keep telling you from time to time, day in and day out. 63 was out there, too. Gotta wait. He know when to hold them, he know when to hold them, and he know when to hold ass. Right. 187 good. Got all the way down. Switchblade, won't play. Minute 3800. Bye. My bad. Hey, Squeaker, I thought you were by yourself, but when you got off, I heard the world was out there. I'll see you.
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is there. I don't know what it was. They're all up in there. I know they're out there talking, Jigga Man talking to someone. I don't know if 63 disappeared, but when you unkey, I hear the same thing, a whole mess of people.
Mm-hmm. He's still out there. I ain't never heard no Jigga Man. But 63, 809, and a bunch of others out there doing that thing, talking to that mud duck up there in Mississippi, just north of Jackson. What do he call himself? Possum Man or something like that. He out there in a rent-a-car. I heard them talking to him on that end. But I'm going to leave it like that. Hey, Squeaker, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going 10-7. Y'all have a blessed evening. I'm gone.
Sure enough, I got to make a run too. My daughter called, said, come on by, so I guess I better get my knees and and scat too. Take care, Chucky. I hear him when you unkey every once in a while on his 3800s. So you take care, be good, and I'll see you. I'm out of here too. Bye-bye. I'm 10-7.
What she's talking about, squeak, I'm gone.
Switchblade getting down.
Just call me. Number 62. Hey, Bob, I left my good friend on the mall, man. Hey, Bojangles, I'm gonna do it like this. Bojangles on the west side. I left that 418 on the key. Bojangles, come on.
With that Tennessee Hillbilly 63 Switchblade Wolfblade Bringer.
I heard you.
He should be talking to Jigga Man. That's who he need to be talking to. Hey, Jigga Man, the roadblock to the west side. Hey, Jigga Man, the roadblock to the west side. Hey, Jigga Man, the roadblock to the west side. He need to be talking to you. Hey, Jigga Man, the roadblock to the west side. He ought to be talking to you, Jigga Man, bro.
Hey, Jigga Man, D-double-L in the bluegrass is paging you break. I'm gonna tell you something, man. For what I see,
The roadblock to the west side. He need to be talking to you. Hey, roadblock to the west side. He ought to be talking to you, roadblock to the west side, baby.